Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. If this is your very first video, welcome. My name is Yusra and I would love if you could consider subscribing. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look right here for my Eid look number 2, then go ahead and stay tuned. And don't forget to check out my look number 1. It will be down in the description box. Hello, so today we're gonna do the look 2 of Eid, and this look is more for if you're going out for the night with your friends on a date, hanging out with the family. And if you guys want to check out my look 1 that was easy for prayer, then go ahead and check it out. I'll leave it somewhere on the screen. My eyebrows are already done per usual. So first thing is first, before you get into any makeup or anything, honestly, the most important thing is your skin. If your skin is not done, prepped perfectly, then your makeup is going to look bad no matter how you do it. So the first thing I like to start with is this vitamin E oil. Please don't mind my nails. I am chipping them. I don't know why, but I'm going to get them done soon. And the next thing I like to go in is with the Versali Unicorn Tears. And then lastly, for the primer, we're going to be using is the Huda Beauty Primer. I have been loving this primer ever since I got it. I feel like it's very moisturizing and it gives you like a nice glow. So I just go in with a few pumps. And everything I like to mainly focus it on my cheeks and kind of my T-zone and where I get oily. And now that our skin is primed, we're going to go ahead and jump into our eyes. For our eyes today, we're going to be using the Perception palette with Shayla and ColourPop, and I absolutely love this palette. Like, it's so versatile, it's so perfect. It has, you know, darker night looks, and then it has like more neutral based looks. But first thing, I'm going to go ahead and take my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Deep Golden to prime my lids. And I used to set my eyelids, but then I realized I don't get a lot of color payout by setting my eyelids, so we're actually not going to be setting my eyelids for this look. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into the palette. The first color I'm going to be taking is the color Culture to use it as a transition color. I'm going to go take the color Unbothered on a flat brush and put this under my brow bone. More tapered brush, and I'm going to take the color Played Out and put this on my outer V. I'm going to take it out a little bit further than my eyelid. I'm going to go back in with that other brush and I'm going to take the color Revenge and just place that on my crease. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease with my Sephora Bright Future. And for this, I just like to place it on my lid and kind of open up my eyes, and wherever it stops that's where I'm going to cut. And then for my lid color, I'm just going to take the color Dime on my finger, and I'm just going to go ahead and place that. And then I'm just going to take my brush and make sure that the two colors are blended in together. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my Too Faced sketch marker to do my wing. And lastly, for the eye, we're going to take the Too Faced Glitter Pop, and I'm just going to place that lightly. I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye, and we'll be right back. So I went ahead and finished the other eye and applied my falsies. I am wearing Ardell Double Wispy Lashes, and now let's if I can get my words right, now let's jump to our face. I'm going to start with my color corrector from Anastasia. The NARS foundation in Carcass. I'm absolutely in love with this foundation. It's so perfect for the summertime. It's so flawless and lightweight. I'm going to use my ColourPop No Filter in Medium Tan. And now I'm going to go ahead and take my mixed powders and apply that. Take a big fluffy brush and my Laura Mercier powder to just set the rest of my face. I'm going to use my Anastasia bronzer in Cappuccino. And now I'm going to go into my lower lash line, and I'm going to take the Precision palette again, and I'm going to be mixing the colors Revenge and Played Out. I'm going to also take the Laura Mercier in Vanilla Kiss and apply that on my waterline. I'm going to take my mascara and apply it on my bottom lashes. And now that we're done with our face, we're going to go ahead and do my lips. I'm going to be using MAC's Chestnut Lip Liner. And I'll be using the Color Quickie from the Shayla and ColourPop palette. I found this to be like my perfect nude so far. I like it. It doesn't wash me out. And now to go in with my highlighter, I'm going to be using the Shayla and ColourPop in Poise. I'm just going to take my Sigma brush. And that's it for my look. Last thing is I'm going to spray it with my Revolution Makeup Setting Spray. And I love this spray because it's the illuminizing spray, so it just makes everything set perfectly and like gives you that nice dewy finish. And I went ahead and did an outfit change and put some accessories on. And that's it for my Eid look number 2. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was definitely a little bit more glam. And like I said, this is for, you know, a night out with your family, friends, or on a date. If you guys enjoyed this video, thank you so much. Be sure to check out my look number 1. I'll have it down in the description box. Until next time.